Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? So friend, most welcome my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will be enjoy my greatest ideas which I shared with you in this video. So let's come guys, now I shared with you in this video beautiful and great ideas that are very complicated and are different to each other. Hopefully you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas in this video. Hopefully you will enjoy my greatest and superstitious ideas in this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and hopefully you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas in this video. And I hope friends you will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas in this video which I share with you. Subscribe my channel and watching this video at the last you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and imaginative attractive ideas because it's are very worthy and are pertinent to each other. I hope you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and great ideas, and hopefully you will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas because it's are very beautiful and are simply different to each other. Don't forget and to subscribe the channel and you can create different type of knowledge. Hopefully you will enjoy my beautiful and greatest superstitious ideas because it's are so unique and are different to each other. You can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and great ideas, and you will enjoy beautiful designs. So I hope you will enjoy. Don't forget and to subscribe my channel because I ensured with you beautiful and great ideas in this video.